Ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba. Alright, so, Renzu here with Fergus, and we are playing No More Room in Hell. Thank you for watching.
Hooray!
Ba-da-ba, ba-da-da, ba-da-ba-ba.
As I slowly load the server.
Yeah. I still have Stronghold going in another window. Oh.
Join game.
Oh, there it goes.
I got scared too much.
Oh my gosh. There's a person talking.
I don't have anyone talking.
You don't hear anybody talking? Well, they're not talking now.
Do it!
I can hear them from your screen. Oh, look, Doctor Who.
Do it!
And... the shooting.
Guys, can you please curse us so I can come back?
Guys! Guys! Where's my doctor?
They're the only ones alive.
Alright.
One load remaining.
It's very dark. This looks familiar. Is this the one we did already?
Yep.
Yeah,
Yep.
it is.
This is the one where you looked up. Guys, like, I know how to do it. Then we went to a new,
To a new map.
we went to a new map.
Yeah.
Dude,
Yep.
this is an infinite ammo server. Hyper vanilla. This
Bring a lot
is
of ammo? You're gonna need it.
unlimited ammo server. There's no running out of ammo.
I zoomed into a computer tech box.
You zoomed into a what?
A computer tech box.
Huh.
Like some zombies. A sort of well lit thing.
And I've been trying to make a good video.
Guys, like, I'm out.
Joining, but
It's not immersive.
like, everyone just
Can't
keeps
shoot
on joining.
guns.
Can you just please leave? I'm just really...
The hunter looks like he's gonna kill.
There's a guy asking
Nope.
people to leave. Did you hear him?
No, I didn't.
Oh, it's Doctor
I'm
Who.
the other
It's
two.
it's Doctor Who.
Oh.
Doctor
is
Who
it?
wants people to leave.
Oh, good.
He's like, this is my server, and can you please leave?
Well, that's too bad. Look at that guy.
But actually, seriously, I am...
I'm sorry, kid. You're too young to be in a smoker's lounge.
Look, a button. See the button.
Always the button.
That was my last magazine. I'm out of magazines. That was my last magazine.
Oh no! Kaboom! Whoa.
That was my last magazine.
The fuck is that guy doing?
That was my last magazine.
Oh my gosh. He's shooting him. Why? Why?
Well, you know. I'm sorry, it's you or me.
That blood spray
And
is
I
funny.
like me.
That was my last magazine.
Hey, welder. Fuck. Hit the wall. Fuck it. Weld through kitchen door.
I believe in them. They can do it.
Set next level to Animo Broadway.
Heh.
Not enough players voted. That guy just.
Wait, do you see veins?
What?
That guy killed himself.
Also, I'm making a video, guys.
Oh,
Can you,
well, it happens.
please leave?
Usually to me.
Like, I just want to,
I
like, make a video.
terrible.
Because
Hold
I'm
on,
making a
shh.
video with my
I'm
friends, and this is my server, so. Then please leave, Grand.
Interesting. I didn't realize that this was his server, because this server was here before, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Anyway, he's still asking people to leave, so I don't know. I'll disconnect and find something else, cause yeah.
Yeah, you guys, this is mine. I don't want to pick myself. Alright. Alright.
You should have a thing to join. There aren't any people in this one, so there won't be anybody going, "This is my server."
Excuse me? I don't think you understand. This is my server. You're not allowed to join.
All right, hi. Do I need to introduce myself? Or?
Go ahead.
Okay, hi. My name is Paul
God dang
Serdinsky.
it.
I am the manager of global powertrain technology communications for the Ford Motor Company, and we're here today talking about EcoBoost and the 1-liter EcoBoost engine. If you don't have to carry a large engine around with you all the time, if you have a very small engine, most of the time you do not need to use all the power of an engine. Most of the time we're just driving around, we're going to get milk or whatever it is. You're not looking for peak power. The magic of EcoBoost is then when you do need that power, when you're merging onto the freeway or you're going to pass someone and you get on the gas, suddenly the small engine acts like a much larger engine. And so it gives you that sort of power on demand. We call it small but mighty. Is that okay? Okay.
I just advertisements. That thing is so heavy. Take that. That's a wrench. Take that. Why not? What was that?
No more room in this server. It's all mine. GTFO.
My lobby. The fuck out.
Ooh, Chinatown. This place.
Yeah.
I remember this place. Oh, you're alive. I'm
Yeah.
not.
You're not? It said you joined.
I don't think I am. No. I'm sorry.
God dang it.
You're on your own this morning.
No.
Quick, grab a gun. I know how to fix this.
What was it? Was it
No.
K?
K, left click. Always funny to watch.
I. That's hilarious.
Rest in peace.
No,
Baseball
negative
god.
points. Gosh, 184.
What is this sound?
What sound? Could be my fan. Is it gone?
What's going on?
You
No.
think you know the
Oh,
minions,
advertisement! God!
but you don't know Bob, Stuart, and Kevin.
No. No.
Okay, who did that? That was great.
Minions. Rated PG.
So there is. Got me a pipe.
It's
Got
my
me a
server.
gun.
It's gonna just take away our stuff in a minute.
I know. How do I talk again? Shoot. I
Why?
mean, not. That's right.
And I don't know how to make it go away now.
Shit, you're right. How do I? Quick! Why? There, that's how you make it go away. You may continue in 10, 8, 5, 3,
Take that.
1.
Ooh,
Punch.
Take that.
Don't mind me, just a cheating. Don't cheat,
that.
kids, it's
that.
not good. What do I want?
I want a flashlight.
I
Bam,
want a.
flashlight. Bam.
Don't mind me. Boom. Alright, I am going to
Aw.
need. Whoa. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa, Mr. Fast Zombie. I'm gonna ask you to slow down. Does this have unlimited ammo? Let's find out.
Yeah. This lobby is an unlimited ammo lobby.
Ah, small child. Oh, it does have infinite ammo.
I totally forgot my controls.
I now have. I need. Maybe a rifle. Let's spawn me a rifle. Nope, maybe not.
You and that freaking.
I really like it. I'm sorry. Okay. Okay. What do I got?
Ah, there we go.
What do I? Good button. Guns!
Look, somebody else is cheating.
Damn it, game derping. Well done.
I'm out of magazines.
Dead.
I'm out of mags.
Oh, play the zombie.
I'm out of mags.
Oh, quick. Child zombie! Child zombie! Look out! Behind you!
Screw you, child zombie. I'm busy.
Oops, forgot to
Gosh.
reload. I killed it.
Alright, I'm gonna grab the fuel.
Okay. I'm a child zombie coming. While I'm reloading! God dang it. God dang it.
We got one load left.
Don't mind me, I'm just a floating little thing. I'm gonna put this.
That was my
Good
last
one.
load.
This gun is actually not easy to shoot.
Bang, 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 bang.
Oh, Max.
Hit me that button. Hit me that button. We're just looking at a flashlight. That'd be nice.
Yeah. Shit. Chop.
I'm sorry, child.
Oh god.
No. Oh, god damn it, I'm gonna die again. Yep. Rest in peace.
I'll take that.
I'm a fast zombie. No, don't shoot me.
Oh god!
Yes.
I can't reload.
Yes.
There you go. Reload!
Eat him. Eat
Reload!
him. Damn it, I'm dead. Again.
Sorry.
Out of magazines.
It's alright. Yeah. Why not?
I think I'm
Why
infected.
not? Probably. After my hunky
Shit, I'm
body
mad.
attacked you, I wouldn't doubt it.
Release the ladder, huh?
I'm out of mags.
Hey, that guy said something. He's dead.
I'm gonna die.
Oh, that's how you check the message of the day, I guess. That's cool. Don't worry. I believe in you. You can see, right?
For now.
Shit, I'm
That's
out of
always good.
mags.
Bang. Bang, bang, pass on me. Watch out, pass
It
on
has
me.
such a small
Oh.
clip, that gun.
All I can see is your dude
Oh look!
dying.
I got up!
Brains. I hear other people shooting. Maybe
Yeah.
it's just you.
No, there was a guy near me.
Really?
Fry Bros. Yeah, Fry Bros.
Out of mags.
Oh yeah, I forgot he was alive. He's a thing. Where did he go? Submachine
He's
gun
over
is no
by
go.
over by a bus.
Ah, is he?
He did not go through the gate. He's gonna get killed by a small child.
A small child, man.
I know, right?
Such bull crap. Ah,
I was like,
tiny zombies.
I was like, there's a small child chasing you, and you're like, fuck
I
it.
know. I'm reloading. I can't do anything about it.
You didn't even look at it. You just kept going.
I nope. I wasn't going to handle it. I'm like, nope. Don't even care.
Out of mags.
I didn't pick the best guns this time.
Out of mags.
Me either.
Out of mags.
That rifle I had was powerful, but it
Out of mags.
wasn't particularly easy to aim. I liked it better when I had an AK.
Out of mags. Out of mags.
Or that over-under shotgun. That over-under shotgun was pretty awesome. Kill yourself!
Kill key. Kill goal. Just die already. Don't worry. He's got this. He's gonna be like that one guy who ran around for several hours. People just watching. Ran to the, oh look, there he is.
Is that a bow? He has a bow.
It is a bow. Yep. He had a bow. Oh wait. Nope. He's bleeding now.
I think he's just trying to kill things.
I had to get
Out of mags.
Points.
bonus points. I don't know. It's like, whose line is it anyway? Where the points don't actually matter.
That show used to be really cool. It's not quite as cool as it used to be.
Ah! What's that beeping sound?
Boxman, I guns! He's dead. Why is he typing guns?
He's gonna get me. He's gonna get some guns. So
Zombie
he could
with
not
guns.
Spawn. Why not?
Alright.
Look at that guy killing people with his bow. That I'm not sure what he's holding in his other hand.
I don't think. Oh no. I don't think that was meant to be in. I think that was added and they just didn't redo the modeling for it.
Ah well. Yeah, that guy. I say we just let these guys try to go forward and we just kind of follow, you know?
I want to get
You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, I get it. I just...
It's gonna be our meat shields. What is that thing?
Got a Beretta.
The person's levitating a gun.
How?
Oh, over you actually be able to go? Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Guns! What gun do I want to play with?
Do those actually have infinite ammo when you spawn them?
I believe so. Let's go with explosives, and we'll go with Molotovs. There we go. That is my only weapon. I'm the Molotov Bandit. Which is probably not very good for other people, because setting zombies on fire is not the greatest. Is that guy dead?
You know...
Because I see a name. Oh wait, no, it's gone. No, they're just invisible people. At least this game isn't derping like the other one. I can move and stuff. It's really nice.
Grenade!
Oh, I don't think that had ammo.
Yeah, I don't... Because somebody was doing that before.
Fire in the hole!
Yeah,
shoot, how do I get my inventory?
One.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, it's empty. Alright, I need more guns. Guns. Go with, rifles are not available for some odd reason. Go with, shotguns. We'll go with the Mossberg.
Hey, that's what I've got. Which, for some reason, is out of ammo. I picked it up off... Oh, somebody dropped it. That's why. One of the other cheater people.
I'm out of magazines.
Alrighty. Gotta follow these guys. This gun does not reload.
Okay, helmet.
Shit, I'm out of mags. I'm out of magazines.
Don't worry. Got your back.
I'm out of mags.
Keep
I'm out of
forgetting to aim.
magazines.
That's alright.
Shit, I'm out of mags.
Dropping zombies gun. Click, click. Never mind. Gonna spawn more
I'm out of
guns.
magazines.
Let's see. I need shotgun Beretta.
Shit, I'm out of mags.
Oh,
Let's
that's
see.
not a zombie.
Blammo.
I'm out of magazines.
You're in a room with a switch.
I am next to the room to switch. Need... Go with, pistol. We'll pick out maybe the Colt.
I'm out of magazines.
Keep hoping I'll find, you know, another gun.
I can poof you one. What do you want?
Eh,
I don't have an ammo.
Yeah, that's the problem.
I know. I know. I'm sorry.
Ooh, I found a baseball bat. And another gun. Ooh, and another gun. Yeah, alright. Whoops, wrong button. Shotgun.
Hey, this gun. Yeah, I guess it's certain weapons that are on the map have infinite ammo, because the Colt does. I need to spawn me a mag light. There we go.
We should probably
All
get
right,
back to
now
the
I'm
guys.
with you. Yeah, we can hold out here.
Well, yeah, but, you know.
It's pretty easy. Sounds like don't derp into a zombie. Boxman's dead. Because he... How? Scuba Steve? Scuba Skeeve.
Where the fuck did everyone go?
I think they went through the button. The ladder release.
This gun doesn't reload. Oh, that guy quit. Take that. And that.
Alright, there's a ladder release. We're gonna go up here. There's a rifle up here.
I don't know
But
where you
I don't
went.
think
Did you
it's-
just keep going
I don't think it's
straight?
kosher. Yeah, I went through the where we were, where you
Mhm.
turn back, and went through the there's a like a door you can hit switch and come back out of, or you can go through the truck area. But there's a lot of zombies over there.
Yeah.
Oh gosh! Oh my gosh! Shit! Get off me! What the fuck? Huh? That's interesting.
Where's the ladder
Zombies
release
are
at?
climbing. They're climbing the ladder.
Wish I knew where the ladder was.
How bad? Hey, get off this thing.
Oh, there's... Okay, there you are. That way?
Yeah. Yeah. No, behind you.
I know.
That was behind you.
I know. I just... That was shooting.
And zombies are climbing up it, so I have no idea what's going on.
Flare gun.
Medical. Zombies are derping, so. Some motherfucking out of here.
Gotta reload! Gotta reload! Gotta reload!
Alright, need to find a safe place to heal up.
Oh god.
Yeah, that's not a place you want to stand because they're climbing up the ladder.
Yeah.
I don't know how.
Couldn't fucking see. I'll take that.
Yeah, there's that too.
Where did you go?
Ooh. I have a gun for you that I picked up just randomly. Say
Hold on, I
M16.
gotta heal. Ooh, that's cool.
I got a guns. Give me me some more
I lost you again. I'm in a room healing.
Alright, so you...
I jumped down on the other side of the...
Right, and then you run through there, and I took this little alcove.
I'm out of magazines.
Run to the sound of my bullets, and my dropping zombies.
I went left and into a garage. Is that where you went?
Shit, I'm out of mags.
No. I went to a small little room.
I'm out of
Oh wait, there you
magazines.
are.
There. Oh, I see you. There's a zombie there.
I'm out of
Can't seem to
mags.
run. There we go.
There you go.
What?
I think I shit. I think I dropped it somewhere.
Whoa. That's cool. What do I got? That thing sucks.
Watch out.
I have a flare gun, which is funny. Whoa, boy. Well, I found it.
Oh, good. Yeah, that's what I thought. I dropped it.
I think you... Oh, no, you're not.
I didn't fall down there.
Fibros.
Oh shit.
Bionic
that's zombie,
Apocalypse
that's zombie.
is
No, no,
at the
no,
end
no,
area.
no. No, cutscene. I don't have time for you.
He's gonna climb that and get on there, and everybody else is gonna die.
That son of a bitch. Shit.
There's a limited amount of time to get on it. Oh, you got a zombie behind you. Oh,
There's
you're
too many
surrounded.
zombies. Reload, reload, reload.
If there's anyone still alive out there, good luck.
Well, I don't think he's alive anymore. Pow!
Oh my goodness.
I got no loads remaining.
Give me that flashlight. And that shotgun. Are there no more guns in here? Ah. Ah, sweet. Bandages. You just standing there for a reason?
Maybe. I'm deciding.
Whoa.
I'm out of
And
magazines.
I think those people left. Or they're really far ahead of me. I'm not sure which.
I'm out of mags.
Alright.
I'm out of magazines.
It's gonna be up front mid for the Chiefs. Like, hey man, that's alright. Ooh, now I can spawn the rifles. What do I want?
Shit, I'm out of mags.
Something cool.
I'll try the Russian gun, the Sako.
Hmm.
Oh, it's a sniper rifle.
Haha.
Pow pow. It's a bolt action rifle with unlimited ammo, so
Well,
whatever.
most snipers are bolt action, so.
I don't want that. Pistols, Colt, tools, Maglite, medical supplies, first aid. That should be good. Alright. See how far away I am from the
I'm out of magazines.
stuff.
Well, you're not very far from me.
No, I am not. Pow! No sound, no problem.
I'm out of magazines.
No sound.
Well, you know. Ah, shit! There's a person there. Oh man, I walked right into a person. Shit. Now I'm getting infected, and it's gonna be bad. Am I bleeding? Am I bleeding? I don't even know.
I'm out of mags.
Shit.
I'm out of magazines.
Shit. Where'd you go?
I am behind you. On the side of the wall.
Shit, I'm out of
Oh,
mags.
I see.
Pow! Zombies! It's the ordinary zombie. Alright, so they have crossed the bridge. They up the ladder. Up the ladder, up the ladder. Come on, man.
I'm all out of loads.
Shit. I'm gonna scoop right by those zombies.
Oh, god dang it.
We're gonna shoot that fast zombie, cause fuck that guy.
Come on, up there.
I'm out of magazines.
Oh, god dang it. Well, I'm toast.
Oh no!
I jumped down there and was immediately grabbed.
Yeah, that sucks. I'm following a guy with a chainsaw. He seems to know where he's going.
Can't open the gate until he lets through the lock.
That guy's gonna get his achievement. Maybe. We'll see.
Go through without weapons or what?
Go out without killing anyone.
Oh.
I assume that's what he's after. Alright, chainsaw guy. You're up.
Power up the radio. Bang.
Ah, fuck. Reload. Shit. Get the fuck out of my way.
One of those
He's
guys,
like, "You're gonna
he keeps
see me,
looking
right?"
at you, and he's like, "You got this, right?"
Maybe. Okay. Our main guy is back. We're out of here. Fuck this area.
climb that ladder and stand on top of that thing?
Nope.
Oh, you can't? That sucks. Child zombie! Child zombie! You're way behind it.
Fuck. Fuck no!
Oh my gosh.
Screw you, child zombie!
It's still chasing you. There it is.
Your end is nigh.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, there's another one. Oh, it's not a child. Oh, that's funny.
Alright, where did he go?
Straight ahead.
Lost him again.
Turn to your right. Turn to your right. Right. Go straight. Pat through that alley.
That way?
Yeah. He's in that building there somewhere.
Oh my gosh, there's a zombie behind it. There we go.
Rescue is coming in 60 seconds. Just go to the dock over there.
That's not him. Shit.
No, just go to the dock. The rescue plane is coming.
Oh, alright.
See over there to the right. Just, yeah, that's where the plane will come in. Pretty sure.
Swell. Let's get over there.
Hey, there he is. Going over there.
I'm gonna bloody well survive this thing.
Stay there a second. No!
Stay there a sec. No!
Not a chance. Oh, thanks so much.
Oh, here it comes. Oops.
What?
I tried to change the camera during the cutscene and I got kicked out.
I see. I did it. I got 2 achievements.
Congratulations. Alright, well, I'm going to stop streaming now. Sorry about the incident where I got kicked out of the game and now you're just looking at a black screen. Thanks for watching.